Siyabonga, 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 siyebo, siyebo, unjani?
Hi, get your family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. Mkosi, this past weekend was definitely the most happiest and the most stressful weekend ever. Abaningi bashilo uguti, if your partner was not calling you or rather checking up on you, or you were struggling to get a hold of them, it means that they were definitely getting married. Because hi Bo, what do you mean such a number of people got married this weekend? Starting off by Wiseman Ncube Batsarabumkosi. Of course, this one shocked many ladies out there. And uyazige abantu imilomo bakwazi ukuyivala. Others, they're complaining about the bride, stating about saying a lot of things about her color and also the fact that she is Tsonga, as if there is something wrong with Wiseman marrying a Tsonga lady. Yeah, betunana, love knows no boundary, love knows no race or rather culture. Utando. And she is, of course, a beautiful woman. And Wiseman, ukethile singena pitina, but people, you need to learn how to chill sometimes. This was indeed beautiful, even though most ladies that are still hurting. Good time, but Wiseman, we thought you were still available and we are still looking and to where congratulations to them. Moving on to, of course, Batsarabom Kosi Ulirato Ngumalo. We have never seen her husband, Batsarabom Kosi, whenever she's posting her man, she's always hiding her man. We only see her when she posts the gifts that the man buys her, and of course, the girlfriend allowance that she used to get. And now it's because it has upgraded from being a girlfriend's allowance to being a fiance's allowance, and now to be what? A wife allowance. Welele. Ay, Batsarabam Kosi. And she had a beautiful white wedding. Batsarabam Kosi. Her family and close friends, they were there with her, supporting her and showing her love. Uncle Siami, what a wonderful weekend we had. And we're, of course, closing it off by, of course, our one and only Utau Mukhale. That is the name that we know him, but his real name is Rapulani. Batsarabam Kosi. He sealed it off this past weekend, marrying a beautiful woman. And we asked, people were shocked. People thought that he got married years back. Bantu, life is really unpredictable. Hey, ushadile and he looks happy and the wife is happy. So Tina, love always wins. Nkosiyami, one thing about love always wins. And remember, love knows no boundary. Love is just a beautiful thing, and we congratulate all our couples that got married this past weekend. Hi Bogechomi, when are you getting married? Ashem Nabesengbuza Angili. That's it for today, but please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Rie.